My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Mad Cat. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other documents. No problem with that. However, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Mad Cat ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And then it is indeed impossible to use the data. The ransomware encrypts files and then appends a special extension to the file names. And so then people just cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. So these are the results of the ransomware's attack. You notice the ransom note, and also the files get encrypted and they are appended with this 4-symbol random extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of a reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, but to download Combo Cleaner you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and the software will begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, as I said, so only quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps you to protect certain folders and the contents of these folders, but this feature does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which will be able to decrypt the files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations, consider premium, and this way your data will be protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.